Speed number 13 July 2013 AP Inter speed 10 seconds 5 seconds. Now start. I am much delighted to speak on this historic occasion where thousands of people assembled here to witness the celebration. It has been my proud privilege to serve India and the cause of its freedom. Today, I address you officially for the first time in my capacity as the first servant of the Indian people. As a matter of fact, today I am here because you all have wished me to serve you and the country as a whole, and I remain here so long as you choose to honor me with your confidence. I am happy to say that we are now free and sovereign people today, and we have received ourselves of the burden that existed of the past. Now we look at the entire world with clear and friendly eyes and at the future with faith and confidence. I would like to tell that the burden of foreign domination is done away with, but freedom brings its own responsibilities and burdens, and they can only be shouldered in the spirit of free people, self disciplined and determined to preserve and enlarge our heart earned freedom. We all agree that we have achieved much, but at the same time, we have to achieve much more. Therefore, let us concentrate ourselves to our new tasks with determination and adhere to high principles which our great leader has taught us. We are very fortunate that our father of the nation and had paved the fortune that our way of high endeavor. He taught us long ago that ideals and objectives can never be divorced from the methods adopted to realize them. Our first and foremost objective must be to put an end to all internal strife and violence which disfigure and degrade us and injure cause of freedom. They came in the way of consideration of the great economic problems of the masses of the people, which so urgently demand attention. We all will agree, but our long struggle and the World War and its aftermath, aftermath have made us inherit an accumulation of vital problems, and today our people lack food and clothing and other necessaries, and we are caught in a spiral of inflation and rising prices. Everyone should agree that we cannot solve these problems suddenly, but we cannot also delay their solution. So we must give paramount importance to this issue and plan wisely so that the burdens on the masses may grow less and their standards of living go up. Lastly, I should like to address a few words to our real heroes who are working in the civil and military. The old distinction and differences are gone. Today we are all free sons and daughters of India. In the difficult days, I have no hesitation to say that our services and experts have a vital role to play, and we invite them to do so in the service of our free India, which we gained after a long struggle from British. Letter. Dear Sir, in response to your kind inquiry of the 2nd April, we have pleasure in informing that our firm is the best of its kind in South India. It has been serving the public not only of South India but of almost all big cities in the rest of India. We cannot, of course, mention names, but we are pleased to be able to inform you that among our customers we have the privilege of including some Indian princes who have consistently favored us with their confidence and patronage. We wish to inform you that we charge a customer at the extremely low rate of 1% per annum on the estimated total value of the deposited articles. They are insured at our cost against any loss or damage. The safety vault in which the valuables are deposited is of the modern scientific construction and is proof against all accidents and risks. We are forwarding a copy of latest last year's report of the general position of our firm, which we hope you will get utmost satisfaction about our activities, hoping to be favored with your patronage, and we shall not give any room for your dissatisfaction. Yours sincerely. Stop.